Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry in easy way or แกงกะหรี่ญี่ปุ่นแบบง่าย Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy Japanese curry by using the Japanese curry mix. So you can find this thing anywhere in the grocery store in this day right now. So why not? Okay, so first we're gonna prep our vegetable. Alright, today this all vegetable I use very simple and easy. So first I have the ginger. I'll use about one chunk the ginger. Okay, I'm gonna chop them. I select them first, and I'm gonna chop them. Alright, just about 2 teaspoons the ginger that I'm going to use. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the side, and next I'm going to chop the 2 cloves garlic. Alright, just gonna smash them. The little baby just wake up. The little baby just wake up, okay? And she just sit like that and look, watching me cooking. Okay, so we're gonna chop the 2 cloves garlic. Alright, so now a garlic done. Put the garlic together with the ginger, okay? Okay, and next I'm going to cut the carrot. So I use the 2 small carrots, alright? Then about like 6 ounce, these 2 carrots. I'm gonna just random cut them, and I leave the skin on. I clean them really good, and then I just leave the skin on and just cut them to the bite side. Now the carrot done. Alright, next I'm going to cut the potato. So I use the 3 small potato. Alright, they're about like 5 ounce each. And same thing with the potato, I leave the skin on. When I'm making the stew or the Japanese curry, I like to leave the skin on, but it's up to you. Somebody like to peel them off, but for me, I clean them really good, and I like to leave the skin on. But this is optional. Okay, now our potato done. Okay, I put the potato with the carrot because I'm going to use them at the same time. Alright, and next I'm going to cut our onion. So for the onion, I will use extra. So I use 1.5 onion. 1.5 onion, they're about 13 ounce. Okay, for the onion, I will cut them the thick slice. And onion and me, I usually don't like to cut onion at all. I only they always give me a tier for the onion, but this recipe we use a lot of onion, so I'm gonna quickly just thick slice them. Alright, I do good today. They didn't give me a tier today. This weird. Maybe because I cut them in the thick. If I thinly slice them, I always cry all the time. Okay, so the onion I will put them in the bowl. Like now. Alright, so now we're done prepping, and now we can get started. Alright, so now I done cut our vegetable, and I already have my beef already cut to the chunk. Okay, the how big that I like, the cut to the size that you usually cut the stew. Okay, now the onion start getting me my eye already. Alright, so not wait anymore, let's get start cooking. Okay, and now I have my cooking pot ready, and make sure your pot is very hot. Okay, I'm gonna put about like a tablespoon cooking oil. Alright, and I'm going to sear the beef. Alright. Okay. Right. I don't want to just pour inside there because I don't want all the liquid to get in the pot, and the beef is not gonna have like a good color sear. So that's why I just put one by one. Right. And I'm just gonna sear about like 1 minute on the each side, so until the really dark brown but not want to cook through. I just want to get a nice color. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the other side. Okay, and wow, this is the brown. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, a little bit hot. Alright, turn them off. Okay, so now I flip on the other side, and this dark color that I'm looking for is gonna give you very nice flavor. Okay, and keep like when you're making the stew or curry, so it makes the moist in the middle. Keep the moist in the middle. Okay, and now our beef is done here. Okay, I got whatever I'm looking for, like really nice color on the side, on cover. Now we're going to remove the beef. Okay, remove the beef. I turn the heat low now and remove all the beef. Okay, so now our beef is seared, whatever I'm looking for, this very nice dark brown color. Okay, I'm going to set the beef on the side. Right, so for the same pot, you don't have to clean them because it's all the flavors from the beef that we being seared. So I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons oil, and now we're gonna saute the onion. Okay, so gonna put the onion in the pot. Yeah, and give them the mix, and you can see the flavor from the beef gonna make the caramelized onion. And this step really important, do not skip it. It's gonna make a lot of flavor for your curry. Okay, and look at this color, caramelized onion. This is perfect color. This is what you're looking for. And now I'm going to add the ginger and garlic, the one that we be cut. 2 cups the garlic and about 2 teaspoons the ginger. Now just in the medium heat, I'm gonna keep stir until the onion getting soft. Okay, and now I be mixing our onion and ginger and garlic until now they're a little bit soft and the flavor come out from the onion. And next I'm going to add the beef broth. I'm going to use the 3 cups the beef broth. Okay, and now I'm going to add the beef, the one we seared them earlier. All right, add them all. Oh, look at all the juice. Yeah, add them all. Okay. And then I'm going to cover, let the everything cook, let the beef cook inside the broth in another 1 more hour in the medium heat, and then I will, when they start getting boiled, I will lower the heat and let them cook for 1 hour. Alright, so now being 1 hour that we let our beef and the onion cooking. Alright. And look at this, and I'm gonna give them a little mix so you can see all this beef and this onion. Alright, so now I'm going to add our vegetables, so our potato and the carrot. Okay, here, potato and carrot. I forget to tell you, I soak my potato and carrot in the water so they're not getting dry and the color not getting brown, because we being prepped before cooking. Or if you guys just going to cut them before, like the way before you put it in, so that will be easy too. Right, so gonna put them all in. All right, let me turn the heat. I'm gonna turn up the heat and let them come to a boil again, and I'm gonna turn the heat back down when they're coming to the boil. Okay, now I put the potato and carrot and I'm going to let them simmer for about 30 minutes before we come back and put our curry. Alright, so now being 30 minutes that we let our potato and carrot cooking. And let's see. Oh, look at this. It starts looking good already. Even now we didn't even add the curry yet. The color and everything start getting the dark brown color. Okay, now time to add our curry mix. Okay, so this is you can use any brand that you can find from the store, and also I use the medium hot. They have the hotter, but I use just a medium. If I like it hotter, I can add more right, chili powder. All right, so let me open. Okay, this is how they come with. Okay, and then I just gonna bake them, the chunk, and then I just gonna put them in the chunk like this. And also they have the instruction on the box. You can just follow the instruction, but for me I changed to my way a little bit, so the way I like how it tastes, so I just changed a little bit from the instruction. All right, I gonna let the curry and all the juice and everything mix well together. Okay, and now I'm going to seasoning. This is the extra thing. You don't have to do this because the curry mix it already give you a very good flavor. But for my personal, and I changing thing a little bit, so this is the way that I like. So for the sweetness, I add the applesauce. This is the 1/4 cup applesauce. And I always have applesauce anyway for the baby that I make it for her. So, so that applesauce will be my sweetness for the Japanese curry. Alright, 1/4 cup. And next, I'm gonna add the Worcestershire sauce. I'm sorry if I say the name not right. Worcestershire. Okay. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. This is will give you curry is really nice flavor. So 1 tablespoon. I think a lot of you have this sauce already in the pantry anyway for making stew or for the kebab, whatever. I think you have it in your pantry, most of you, if you like cooking. Okay, and next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon the curry powder. So I'm gonna add the curry powder, 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to give them the mix, and I'm going to let the cooking on the simmer for another 30 minutes, and we can come back and taste and check how our curry gonna look like and taste like. Alright, so now being 40 minutes that I let them cook. Alright, so total time together 2 hours and 10 minutes. I say gonna let them cook 30 minutes, but I end up do something around the house, so I let them cook another 40 minutes. And look at this. Wow, look at all this curry sauce. Look at all the beef and all the potatoes sucking all the curry sauce and carrot. Everything start getting really soft right now. And now I'm gonna give them the final taste. Okay, let's taste. If you need more soy sauce or any more seasoning, you just can do it right now. If you like more spicy, you add more chili powder, but this is perfect for me. Now I ready to put on the rice and enjoy the curry. Okay, now I'm done with our Japanese curry. Look at all this curry sauce. I'm gonna pour on the side of the white rice. Okay. Put much that you like, and you even can cook longer if you wanted to. Wow. Or if you have the leftover, just warm inside the pot. Just keep in the pot and warm it tomorrow. It will get even the everything getting softer. Cook more time, gonna be even better. You can add if you don't like to add the beef, you can use the chicken thigh also. Okay, now I'm ready to take a bite. Alright, so, and I have the condiment. I have the ginger, the pickled ginger. Okay, in the Japan, sometimes they like to serving with the pickled vegetable. So I cannot find this. I can find the pickled ginger. So I have the ginger pickle today with me. Look at all the beef. Oh, I can. It's hot. Wow, the curry sauce is like whatever your favorite profile that you like, that you can seasoning whatever you like. The potato, the carrot, they cook long, and the beef, everything so soft and they melt into your mouth. And they're so easy to make. It takes time because it's waiting time, but for the cook, it's really easy. Just put everything in the pot and then just wait for everything cooking together. And if you're not finished, you can warm it again tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you. Thank you.